Good morning, dear traders. This is Ahmed Mamdouh, financial markets analyst at FXGate. After a week characterized by low volume trading due to the presence of the Christmas holidays, we are expecting another week that also may be characterized by thin trading due to the presence of the New Year holiday. However, just one day after the New Year holiday, more specifically on January 2, we are going to have an economic calendar that includes a number of important economic data, mainly related to the manufacturing sector. The day starts in China with the release of the Caixin Manufacturing PMI, where the reading is expected to show a slight downside revision to 51.7 compared to the initial reading of 51.8, but the overall reading still points to growth. In the euro area, the market manufacturing PMI is expected to stabilize at 45.9. This would mean that the manufacturing sector would end the year on a weak note, which would finally weigh on the fourth quarter's growth in the Eurozone. By the same manner, the market manufacturing PMI in the United Kingdom is expected to settle at 47.4 in December, which also points to contraction in the sector, largely reflecting the impact of the uncertainty surrounding the Brexit. In the United States, the manufacturing PMI is expected to stabilize at 52.5 in December, which is going to be better than the readings in both the euro area and the United Kingdom. Finally, investors should keep their eyes open on any developments related to the Phase 1 trade agreement between the United States and China. Thank you. Goodbye.